It is done. The ultimate call only ads course is finally done. And what this course is going to do is get your phone ringing. It's going to give you high quality, sustainable leads month after month. And that's how I've designed it. And that's what it's going to deliver. Now, I've been asked for a very long time to do a course, and it is finally here. Yes, it's completely done. I'm going to be continuously adding to this, but just to show you how much content is already in here. If there's any like questions and stuff that pop up, I will add this into here. But everything you need to run a sustainable, high quality campaign is in here. You don't got to worry about anything. All the headlines, all the descriptions, all the call out extensions, everything is plug and play. So you have tons of examples of winning headlines, descriptions, call out extensions. I'm going to walk you through step by step what a winning campaign is. How do we actually go about the theory behind this? There's not much theory in this. There's about 9 minutes worth of theory, just to kind of wrap your head about what we're going to actually go after and how we create our accounts. And then we're right into creating our account, building our campaign, finding keywords, expanding the campaign, the conversion tracking that goes along with that, and then the optimization process. This is what's going to make you stand out from your competition. We're going to go over keywords, we're going to go over negatives, finding and building new ad groups, A/B testing our ads, extensions optimization, audience optimization, ad schedule optimization, literally everything you need to run a very, very successful account and put you light years above your competition. It's in here. Common questions in here, our tools. All of this is literally plug and play. As long as you can follow along, you can have a wonderful campaign set up in less than an hour. And it is an absolute amazing course. I have put my heart and soul into this. And I really do think anyone who is actually going to try and apply themselves will benefit greatly from this campaign. I've literally taken all of my knowledge. I've made this as plug and play as possible. Literally headlines, descriptions, call out extensions. You can just copy and paste this into your account. It's very, very simple. As long as you follow the instructions, your account will succeed in 99.9% of the cases. I'm not going to say 100%, but in 99.98% of the cases, your account will deliver amazing results. Your phone will be ringing, and you'll be able to create high quality, sustainable leads for months and years to come into the future, provided you actually follow along and listen to our lessons. So if you are interested in getting this course, check the link down below. It says Linktree. It'll say course or Ultimate Call Only Ads course. I haven't named it yet, but go check out the link down below. It will be there. Literally, again, it goes over everything you need to know to run a very successful call only ads campaign, and you will be very impressed by the copious amounts of information in here that will put you, again, light years ahead of your competition. So go ahead, check it out if you're interested. It really is for anyone. It is very simple. It is step by step, and it will be easy to follow along, and you will be able to generate yourself lots of phone call leads.